Welcome back to my vlog. Today we're going to be making Sicilian olive chicken. Hope you enjoy it. It's a new recipe for me, so let's get on with the show. Okay, we're going to take a 14-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes. Add some garlic powder to it. Don't need much, just a little sprinkle. Half a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And take 1.5 cups of chopped spinach. Then we're going to take some green olives. It says Sicilian, but being where I'm located, I can't find it. So I chose some feta cheese stuffed green olives. Just cut them in half. 1/3 cup. Depending on the size, it would be probably about 7 or 8 green olives. And 1 tablespoon of capers. And 1/4 teaspoon crushed red peppers. Mix this up. And take our chicken. These are chicken tenderloins. I'm going to sprinkle them with pepper. On both sides. Then we're going to start putting them in the oven and cook them. In my pan I got a little bit more than a a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to be serving this over pasta. You're on medium-high heat. You want to wait until the chicken will release from the pan. About 2 to 4 minutes. Now we're going to add the mixture. And reduce to medium and cover. Okay, the chicken is ready. Light up and serve. Put it right on top of the pasta. Take some of the mixture. There we have it. Right with you and taste it. Alright, here we go. Pretty damn good. Very simple, very quick recipe. As long as you have all the ingredients, of course, but yeah. I'll give it a 8 out of 10 stars, chef knives, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, 8 out of 10. It even has a nice look too, so hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and hit the bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. Thank you. Have a great day.